When forming your rose petals, you will be using a crisscross pattern. It doesn't matter where you start, only that your next petal is across from you. I call this the dance of the rose. It is also important that you keep your petals tight as you work your way out. I roll the metal to help get the forming process started. This is our base to our 3-rose bouquet, and what I'm going to be doing is burning this logo onto the base. Now, in order to do that, I printed out the logo with some carbon paper underneath, and I've placed it exactly where I want it to be burned. I'm going to be tracing over the logo so that it will transfer onto the wood. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I do my wood burning. I use a COLEWOOD Galaxy. It is a variable temperature burner, so I can turn it as hot as I want or as cool as I want, which is really good for doing outlines and shading. I am first going to start off with this rounded flathead tip known as J. It is perfect for outlines and crisp, straight lines. We are going to set the temperature at 320. This material that I am using is basswood. It is one of the softest woods, therefore making it easier to burn on. Now I'm going to be doing my shading, and to do that I'm going to be using a medium-sized ball tip known as B2. This one I'm going to be setting the temperature to 390. Now I'm going to do some low temperature shading with the medium-sized ball tip B2. Right now I have it set on 210 or 220. I guess I can't decide right now. I'm going to lightly roll it over the top. You can continue to go over it as much or as little you want to. The more you go over it, the darker it's going to get. Now when I go to stain this wood, this part is going to stain different than all the rest, giving it some great contrast. These are some of the other tips that I use on my COLEWOOD Galaxy burner. They have multiple fixed and replaceable tip variations to fit whatever design you have in mind. Thank you for watching. As always, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram at The Welder Woman. You can find my available work on Etsy at The Welder Woman 1. And click the subscribe button below for all my future videos.